Hey there, coffee lovers. Today, I'm thrilled to share my first impressions of the best Espresso Machines 2023 Low-R Barista System. The first is Philips Low-R Barista System coffee and espresso machine combo. As someone who values his coffee, I couldn't wait to get my hands on this elegant and promising machine. Let's see whether it lives up to the expectations. Let's start with the design and construction quality. The sleek, minimalist aesthetics of the Low-R Barista System initially drew my attention. It's a little machine that looks great on any counter. The brushed metal surface gives it a premium vibe, and the whole construction is sturdy and well-made. Philips has clearly placed a lot of care into the looks and longevity of this equipment. The Low-R Barista System was simple to set up. It was simple to get started because to the user-friendly layout and clear directions. It features a huge water tank, which means fewer refills, and a large coffee grounds container, which means less upkeep. The machine also has a drip tray and cup holder, both of which are easily adjusted to fit different cup sizes. Let's get to the most important part, the coffee it makes. Low-R coffee capsules, noted for their quality and diversity, are used in this machine. I tried a few different capsules and was blown away by the flavor and scent of the coffee and espresso it created. The espresso shots were rich, creamy, and topped with a lovely crema, as you'd expect from a high-end coffee establishment. DeLonghi La Specialista Arte. Next comes the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte EC91x5MB espresso machine. This one blends the ease of bean-to-cup brewing with the elegance of a professional coffee setup. This 1450W metal wonder radiates refinement with its sleek and strong design. Its excellent construction guarantees that it can withstand regular usage while still looking great on your kitchen counter. The addition of the Barista SS kit, My Latte Art Milk Frother, and a professional steamer provides a level of versatility that allows you to make a variety of coffee drinks. Whether you want a rich espresso shot, a creamy cappuccino, or to try your hand at latte art, this machine has you covered. The built-in grinder guarantees that your coffee beans are freshly ground for each brew, which improves the taste profile of your coffee. It's simple to use, and the straightforward UI allows you to tailor your coffee to your specific preferences. You can bring the cafe experience right into your house with the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte EC91x5MB. And I can't wait to explore deeper into its potential in my forthcoming films. If you take your coffee seriously, this machine is well worth considering. Moving on, we have the SUMSATY Espresso Coffee Machine. This is a lovely and adaptable espresso machine with a vintage appearance that gives a nostalgic touch to your coffee ritual. This machine has 20 bars of pressure, so you can make rich, delicious espresso shots. It comes with a milk frother steamer wand, allowing you to easily make creamy cappuccinos, lattes, and macchiatos. The large 1.8L detachable water tank allows for fewer refills, making it ideal for dispensing numerous cups. It is ETL listed, which ensures safety and quality requirements. In addition, the supplied coffee spoon makes it easier to make coffee. The SUMSATY Espresso Coffee Machine is an intriguing alternative for individuals wishing to enjoy a range of espresso-based beverages at home due to its classic style and functional features. What comes next is the Yabano Espresso Machine. To be honest, it is a small and inexpensive coffee machine designed for individuals who like a straightforward and convenient espresso experience. It may not provide the same degree of espresso quality as high-end machines, but it's a good choice for novices or those on a tight budget. The machine includes a built-in milk frother, allowing you to easily make lattes and cappuccinos. It's a versatile option for people who desire both espresso and milk-based coffee drinks. Its simple design makes it user-friendly, and it is reasonably simple to clean and maintain. While it may not provide the same amount of customization or espresso quality as more complex machines, the Yabano Espresso Machine is an affordable alternative for individuals who want to enjoy handcrafted espresso and espresso-based cocktails without breaking the bank. Going on, we have the Gevi Espresso Machine. This machine is a small and simple espresso machine designed for home usage. The milk frother steam wand, which allows you to easily make creamy cappuccinos and lattes, is its highlight feature. The 34 O's detachable water tank guarantees that you have enough water for numerous cups, without having to replenish it frequently, making it ideal for home usage. While it may not provide the same level of automation as more expensive super-automatic machines, it does find a compromise between usability and price. It's ideal for people who wish to enjoy espresso and espresso-based beverages without having to deal with the intricacy of high-end equipment. Its compact form makes it excellent for small kitchens. Overall, the Gevi espresso machine is a sensible option for individuals wishing to improve their home coffee experience without a steep learning curve or a high price tag. Last option left is the CASABREWS espresso machine. This high-quality coffee machine provides the cafe experience to your home. It's intended to brew rich and aromatic espresso shots with ease, thanks to an amazing 20 bars of pressure. The steam milk frother is a notable feature, allowing you to make smooth cappuccinos and lattes, ideal for indulging in your favorite espresso-based beverages. The machine features a large, detachable 49 O's water tank, which eliminates the need for frequent refills, and the stainless steel structure not only assures longevity, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop. Whether you're a seasoned barista or just getting started, this espresso machine provides a great degree of control and flexibility, allowing you to personalize your coffee to your specific preferences. The CASABREWS espresso machine makes an excellent present for coffee-loving parents, and its professional-grade performance makes it a vital addition to any coffee enthusiast's kitchen. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing.